Hi guys, today we are at activities of English speaking and bringing confidence, and this is a type of a game where Asmita and Shubham will speak English with each other.
What is your name?
My name is Asmita Mishra.
What is your school name?
My school name is MHB Marathi School number 2.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Where do you stay?
I stay Malwani Church.
What is the favorite game?
My favorite game is football. What is your name?
My name is Shubham.
Thoda loud.
What is your school name?
My school name is Sanjay High School.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Malvani Church.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
वेरी गुड, ताली बजाइए सब लोग. अभी नेक्स्ट कौन आएगा? ठीक है, अभी नाउ वी हैव सपना एंड रोशनी. तो सपना स्टार्ट.
What is your name?
My name is Shubham.
What is your school name?
Malvani Township, Hindi number 2.
How old are you?
My
I am
I am 11 years old.
Where do you stay?
I stay.
I stay Malvani Church.
Where is
What is your favorite
what
game?
is your favorite game?
My favorite game badminton.
ठीक है, अभी आप पूछो.
What is your name?
My name is Sapna Kapoor.
What is your school name?
My school name is Malwani Township, Hindi number 2.
How old
कौन सा क्या बोल रही है?
how
How old are you?
old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Where do you stay?
Where do you stay?
I stay at Malwani Church.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game, Coco.
ठीक है, ताली बजाइए दोनों के लिए. Okay, now we have Lakshmi and Asmita. Asmita, start.
What is your school name?
My name is Lakshmi Gupta.
What is your school name?
My school name is Malvani Township.
How old are you?
I am 12 years old.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Malvani Church.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is badminton.
Very good. अभी आप पूछो.
What is your name?
My name is Ramesh Kamble.
What is your school name?
My school name is MHB Marathi School number 2.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Malvani Church.
What is your favorite game?
Your favorite game?
My favorite game is Coco.
Very good. ताली बजाइए. Now we have Harsh and Raj. कौन चालू करेगा पहले? ठीक है, राज स्टार्ट.
What is your name? My name is Ramesh Kamble. What is your school name is? My school name is MHB 2 Hindi Marathi
High school.
High School. How old are you?
I am
I am 11
Years old.
years old.
Where do you stay?
Malvani Church.
I stay.
I stay Malvani Church.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game football.
वेरी गुड. अभी तू पूछ.
What is the name?
My name is Raj Kasinath Vendansi.
What is the school name?
My school name is Malvani Township English School.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Uh, I am 14-year-old.
Where do you stay?
Where do you stay?
I am stay Malvani Church.
What is the favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
ठीक है, ताली बजाइए सब लोग. Okay, now we have Sonali and Anjali. Sonali, start.
What is your name?
My name is Kasina.
What is your school name?
What is the school name?
My school name is Malvani Township English School.
How old are
You.
you?
My am
I am.
I am 11 years old.
Where do you stay?
Where do you stay?
I stay.
I stay in Malvani Township. Malvani Church.
What is
Your favorite game?
your favorite game?
My favorite game is
Skipping.
skipping.
हाँ, अब आप पूछो. What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Sonali Santosh Shastri.
What is your school name is?
Malvani Township English School.
How old are you?
9 years old.
Where do you stay?
Where do you stay?
Malvani. I stay in Malvani Church.
What is your favorite game?
What is your favorite game?
Badminton.
ठीक, ताली बजाइए.